Hello, how to evaluate with that calculator? This is 16 power 5 minus 16 power 4. So I can express the 16 as 4 power 2. Remember, 16 equals 4 power 2, and 4 is a perfect square, which is 2 to the power of 2. That means this is raised to the power of 2, and this is 2 power 4. So 16 is 2 power 4. I have 2 power 4 raised to the power of 5 minus 2 power 4 again raised to the power of 4. Now we multiply the exponent. Remember the identity, a power n raised to the power of n equals a power n times n. So we have 2 power 4 times 5, that is 20, minus 2 power 4 times 4, that is 16. Now, from here, I can express this as 2 power 20 simply 10 times 2 minus 2 power 16 is simply, we have 10 plus 6, right? So, remember, if you have a power n times n equals a power n to the power of n. And also, if you have a power n plus n equals a power n times a power n. So that means we will have, this is 2 power 10 raised to the power of 2 minus this is 2 power 10 times 2 power 6. What is the value of 2 power 10? Remember, 2 to the power of 5 is 32. 2 to the power of 10 is 2 to the power of 5 to the power of 2. This means 32 power 2. And if you find the value of 32 power 2, this will give you 1024. That is 32 times 32. So 2 power 10 here is 1024 raised to the power of 2 minus 1024 times 2 power 6 here. If 2 power 5 is 32, 2 power 6 is 32 times 2. That is 64. So what we are having here is 1024 power 2 minus 1024 times 64. So what do we do? Now I can express this as 1024 times 1024 minus 1024 times 64. So the common term here is 1024. It appears on both sides. I have 1024 times this divide this. I have 1024 minus this divide this. I have 64. So from here I have 1024 times 1024 minus 64 is how much? Now 1024 64 4 minus 4 0 2 minus 6 cannot. We take 1 here, that is 10. Then from there we take 1 here, that is 9. So that becomes, if you take 1 from there, that is 10, and add to this becomes 12. So 12 minus 6, we are simply going to have 6. Then what we have here is now 9. So we have 9 here and nothing left here because you have already taken the 1. So this is 960. So we have 960 there. That means we are multiplying 1024 times 960. Now 1024, we can write it as 1000 plus 24 times 960. And multiply this and multiply this. So 1000 times 960 plus 24 times 960. So 1000 times 960, this is 9612. That is 960,000 plus 24 times 960, that is 960 times 24. 4 times 0, 0. 4 times 6, 24. 4 carry over 2. 4 times 9, that is 36 plus 2, 38. 2 times 0, 0. 2 times 6, 12. 2 carry over 1. 2 times 9, that is 18. 18 plus 1, that is 19. This is 0, this is 4, this is 10. 0 carry over 1 out here, 4. This is 13. So you have 3 carry over 1 out there. This is this. So 2, 30, 40. So now the next thing will be to add this 2, 30, 40 to 960,000. So we have 960,000 plus, that is 230, 40. So this is 230, 40. We add 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 4, 4, 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0 plus 3, 3, 0 plus 6 plus 2, 8. Then we have 983, 040. So this is our answer for 16 to the power of 5 minus 16 to the power of 4. I hope that is the question. Yes. And this is 983,040. And we have achieved this without the use of calculator, guys. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you and goodbye.